So, moving ahead with the chapter, up to the extent we discussed about the red trap seller, it was we found a few pieces of his description that would kind of miserable condition as he was having. Then later on, we came across about the philosophy that he had, okay, about the world that he compared with his rat trap, and he thought that as the mice they are entangled, they are entrapped in the rat trap out of the bats, maybe the pokes, cheese, bread, the crumbs of breads, and the pieces of any eatable. Likewise, the God has created for us this red trap of the world, where he has given us in the form of the weights like seas, rivers, plateaus, land, forest. So even we go nearer to them, as we go nearest to them, then what happens? We got entangled. So moving ahead with the remaining text, the world had of course never been very kind of him, so it gave him unwanted joy to think ill of it in this way. The world had of course never been very kind to him, so it gave him unwanted joy to think ill of it in this way. Think ill, think ill. Actually, what we find that the imagination that the vagabond had, it was a kind of ill imagination. It was not as a common person, or as you can call a healthy minded person, or as someone who loves this world or who loves this his life. He might be having it. So the reason is that the world was not actually good to him, and as the world was not good to him, so what happened? His experiences, his feelings, his emotions, his sentiments to the world, they were not healthy. They were not, happily entangled with each other. So this made the boy, the vagabond, create his own invention, which was negative. It became a cherished pastime of his during many dreary ploddings to think of people he knew who had let themselves be caught in the dangerous snare, and of others who were still circling around the bed. So actually he was a vagabond, he was a homeless person. So whenever he comes across, whenever he gets encountered with a new person, then some of them, okay, they who were in miserable condition, but earlier they were not. So he found that these are the mice who got entangled and who got entrapped, and someone whom actually he might be expecting that these are the prospective mice who would be very soon getting entangled. So his perception towards the world, it was totally negative, and in his negativity he was thinking and he was expecting that whatever that he is thinking, then whatever that he is surmising, that is completely based upon the rat trap, where he is watching the people, where he is coming across the people with his own experience, where he watches and he sees them getting entangled and getting entrapped. Some people earlier, some people miss later or sooner. One dark evening, as he was trudging along the road, he caught sight of a little grey cottage by the roadside, and he knocked on the door to ask shelter for the night. Nor was he refused. Instead of the sour faces which ordinarily met him, it happens. Sometimes, what happens? Dark evening, okay, being a stranger, when we knock at strangers' door, then what kind of reaction we would be expecting? Okay, the people perhaps they are not liking us, they totally dislike us, but even then they they feel a kind of humanitarian mind in his, okay, spirit and in his soul. So they would think that, okay, let's talk. Up to the conversation, the relations may be maintained, but beyond the conversation, if something happens, then perhaps it can prove better humanity. So here also, one dark evening, he actually went to a strange cottage where he knocked the door, but he was I won't say that he was welcomed. There were actually some pieces of sour expression. Means the person who opened the door, he didn't like the stranger, the vagabond. He thought who had come, because they both were not acquainted with each other. But for the vagabond, the sour expression, and moreover the bitter expression, and moreover the negative expressions, they were quite common. They were quite common. He was accustomed, he was habitual of happening such kind of things. So for him, it was an ordinary thing.